In a quiet, sunny pond, there lived a frog named Freddy. Freddy was full of energy and curiosity, always looking for new adventures. One morning, Freddy spotted the tallest tree in the forest, its branches swaying high above the pond. "I'm going to climb it," Freddy declared, his eyes sparkling with excitement. The other frogs gasped. "Freddy, don't!" shouted Lily, the cautious frog. "The wind is too strong up there," croaked Ben, pointing to the trembling branches. "You'll fall. The branches can't hold you," warned Toby, shaking his head. But Freddy didn't stop. Why? Freddy was deaf, and he thought the other frogs were cheering him on. "Yay, go Freddy, you can do it," he imagined. With a determined leap, he grabbed the first branch and began to climb. The wind gusted, and the branches bent dangerously, but Freddy hopped from branch to branch. "Keep going, Freddy," he imagined the frogs shouting. "I'm doing it," he said to himself, ignoring any fears. With each leap, he climbed higher. The branches creaked, the leaves shook, but Freddy's courage only grew. Halfway up, Freddy paused on a thin branch. It wobbled under his weight. "This is too risky," the frogs below shouted, or so Freddy imagined. But Freddy smiled. "They must be cheering me even louder. I can do this." He took a deep breath, leapt to the next branch, and kept climbing. Finally, after many careful hops, Freddy reached the top of the tall tree. He looked out over the pond, the forest, and the shimmering sunlight reflecting on the water. "I did it," Freddy croaked happily. "I climbed all the way to the top." Below, the other frogs stared in awe. "Freddy, you really did it," said Lily. "The wind didn't stop you. You weren't afraid of our warnings," whispered Ben. Freddy smiled down at his friends. Even though he hadn't heard their warnings, he ignored doubts and fears that could hold him back. He realized something important. Sometimes the world may try to stop you with worries and doubts, but if you believe in yourself and keep going, you can reach amazing heights. And from that day on, Freddy became known as Freddy the Brave Frog, the frog who climbed the tallest tree because he ignored the doubts and listened only to his courage. Don't let doubts or fears from others stop you. Believe in yourself, ignore negativity, and you can achieve amazing things. Courage and determination, ignoring negativity and self-doubt. Believing in yourself, facing challenges with confidence. Perseverance pays off. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.